Today I will be discussing the fundamentals of the 10 key. When using a 10 key, place the fingers on the 4, 5, 6 row when beginning to type. According to Cornell University and the University of British Columbia, the ideal typing posture is such that the keyboard is below your elbow height when seated, with your wrists straight and not planted on the surface of the desk. Keep your fingers relaxed as well. You do not want to tense up when typing, as it will cause cramps and uncomfortable pain in the hands and wrists. Always remember to use the 4, 5, 6 row as the home base. Now that you have found your base, you can start to move your finger to the according numbers. The middle finger is based on the 5 key and can extend upwards towards the 8 key and down towards the 2 key. The index finger is based on the 4 key and can extend to the 7 key and down to the 1 key. The ring finger is based on the 6 key and can extend up to the 9 key and down to the 3 key. Finally, the thumb can be used to tap the 0 key when needed. On the 10 key, there are multiple keys that do not represent a number. It is important to know the functions of each of these keys. The numlock key will disable the numbers from showing on your screen when pressed. The front slash can be used in formulas as the symbol for dividing numbers. This key will come in handy when using Excel and other financial softwares. You can find the front slash key on this screen in the first row and the second column of the images. The asterisk will be used in formulas as the symbol for multiplying numbers. Much like the division key, the asterisk will be used in many financial situations. It's located on row 2, column 1. The minus key is in the second row and the second column. This key will play a huge role in mathematical equations. The period key separates whole numbers from fractional numbers. The period key is often referred to as the decimal. The plus key, much like the minus key, is used in most mathematical equations. Finally, the enter key is used to move to the next row on a document. Use this key when you are ready to type a new row of numbers after you are finished adding numbers to the row above. Keystrokes per hour, or kph, can be described by its name. It quite literally asks, how many times can you stroke a key in 1 hour? An average 10 key typist will hit around 8,000 keystrokes per hour. It can be important to type at this speed consistently, as there are companies that will not hire employees that are incapable of typing close to 8,000 kph. Getting to this speed will take hours of practice, but will serve you well in the future. If you are looking for fields that type a considerable amounts per day, take a look at the professions on the screen. Each of these positions will use a 10 key on a daily basis. Well, that concludes our lesson on the 10 key. I hope you have a greater understanding of the fundamentals and techniques of the 10K system.